Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can sign out Line account. So for that, first of all, you open the Line application. So once you open the Line app, you can tap on setting and you will not be able to find a logout option from Line. So how you can log out is you tap upon the setting icon on your mobile device. There you tap upon the apps and notification. In app and notification, you need to tap upon the Line app. Once you're at the Line info page, here you need to tap on storage and cache. Tap that. And to log out, you can tap on clear storage on the option. All this app's data will be deleted permanently, including all file setting, account and database. Tap on OK. Now once the process is completed, you can go and check your Line app and there you can see you will be logged out from your Line account. So this is how you can log out Line on your mobile device from these settings. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Web2Tech YouTube channel. Thank you.